every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel! Don't forget and like. Yan, for today's video, we're gonna unboxing from TikTok Shop, of course. Dahil malapit na yung birthday ni George. Yes. Ito yung mga gagamitin niya for tomorrow. Design only. Here, first. Tingnan natin kung matutuwa siya. Are you happy?
Hindi.
Why?
Yes! Ay, box yan. Saka na lang yung box mo.
What's this? Oh my gosh.
Ako na lang yung box. Ay. Ito, wala.
Wow! Pakita natin. Yes, it is a cake topper. Yeah. Wow!
Wow, moonshine!
Wow! Oh, yung ano?
Wow, moonshine, haha. Wala si sunshine. Oh, saka na lang yung box
Yes.
na.
It is a topper. Meron siyang name, face niya.
Bakit di na-
And then
Hello, Titi.
name and age. And its motif, it's Hello Kitty. You love Hello Kitty? Oh, dahan-dahan na. Oh, yan oh. Happy 4th birthday, Jerseyville! Here. Wow!
Wow, moonshine.
Oh, ayan naman, te. Ilagay mo, te.
Lagay-
Are you happy with that?
No.
Trobito ka. Next!
Next is...
Are you happy?
Yes.
You want to see this?
Yes. 3, 2, 1, go. And... Wow! Hello, Titi!
Wow! Ay, ayusin mo, te, ha? Hindi, dapat pa ganun para isa-isahang ano.
Wow, hello. Baka.
Yay!
Wow.
Yay! This is dress! Tayo ka nga! Wow! Wow! Are you happy with your dress? You love it? Wow!
Next.
Oh, next! Dapat kasi pa ganyan, dapat pa ganun eh. Next!
Sorry. Ayun na. Walang Roy.
Next!
Wow, walang Roy. Gusto niya daw si Roy at Hello Kitty. Huh?
Oh, this is a curtain happy birthday.
Mga little...
Ano yan? Pang tali yan.
Oh.
It is pang design. Like this.
Saka dito.
Yay!
I can see Ma. I can see right now.
Here. Here.
Oh. Boy. She's Hello Kitty. Ay. Hello Kitty si
Next.
Dandy yan talaga. Boy, saka na lang ito Ma.
Wag pa na yun.
Okay.
What's this?
But,
Oh! It's not. It's ano. Here is
Next.
next. What's this?
Ano yan?
Oh! Yung ano mo dati, hindi kayo nakasali sa ano eh. The nutrition month, napasama lang siya. Sabi natin, magagamit mo pa yan.
Saan yung box? Ano yung box?
Wala kayo hindi mapapasok. Here, next.
Si Dandy, ha? Next.
What's this? What's this?
Oh.
Oh, it is it is number 4 foil. Hindi ko na ibubuksan kasi baka mapunit. Next, number 4 siya na malaki. Balloon number 4. Wow! It's headband with happy birthday. Mapupunta rin yan sa'yo pag birthday mo. It's headband. Happy birthday.
Wow, sa atin yan, ha?
Yes.
So,
It is a... Next.
Pwede pala ng boyfriend ko, ma.
Ha?
Pwede pala ng boyfriend ko.
Ayun?
Hindi.
Ito. Di ko na rin i-open. Ano siya? Hello Kitty na malaki. Stand. Yes. Baka kasi mapulit pag binuksan natin.
Hindi ba pupulit, ma?
Yes. Let's try your headband.
Say mo si Tandy, ha? Say mo si Tandy.
Aminin ko na. Wow!
Mabutitis.
It's so pretty.
Mabutitis, ma. Buta ito ba? Oh, wait. I have an idea.
Yes, yan lang. Ang aming unboxing. Anong masasabi mo, Be? Anong masasabi mo?
Vaccine.
Ano masasabi mo? Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Kiss Mama.
You're not welcome.
Bye.